other thing I would say is that one of the things that I have from my father, and oddly enough, they're in English, I don't know why, are these love letters to my mother. And over a summer when she was in a kachel somewhere, and in Monroe, New York, and I think it must have been just after I was born, I loved that he kept calling her sweetheart, even after they'd been together for quite some time, and he kept describing himself as her sweetheart. I mean, he saw her once a week. It's not like he didn't see her at all. He would come out on weekends. But I think it was partly the writer in him, and also how much he loved her, because I believe he really loved her an immense amount, even though, as I said, I think they made a wonderful couple, but in some ways an odd couple, because of his flights of fancy and imagination, and because she was artistic but more down to earth. But having those is such a treasure.